हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वंस अगेन वेलकम टू माय चैनल जीरो चार्ज। मेरा नाम है अंकित एंड आज की वीडियो में हम एक ऐसा पोर्टेबल वैक्यूम क्लीनर अनबॉक्स करेंगे जो पहले आपने नहीं देखा होगा। मैंने काफी सारे वैक्यूम क्लीनर जो है वो अनबॉक्स किए हैं, रिव्यू किए हैं, बट आई हैव नॉट सीन एनी पोर्टेबल वैक्यूम क्लीनर लाइक दिस। द प्रोडक्ट दैट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट इज अगारो मिनी वैक्यूम क्लीनर। सो चलिए इसे अनबॉक्स करते हैं, रिव्यू करते हैं, देखते हैं ये वैक्यूम क्लीनर जो है वो पावरफुल है या नहीं। वीडियो को प्लीज एंड तक देखिएगा एंड अगर मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो भी कर लीजिए। So inside the box we get one warranty card. This comes with 1 year of standard warranty, one user manual, one USB Type-C charging cable, one nozzle for blower, one small brush, one multi-purpose brush. So you can use this as brush as well as for suction. So this is the main unit, which is Agaro mini vacuum cleaner. The build quality of this vacuum cleaner is top notch. The bottom body of the vacuum cleaner is made of metal. It really feels very premium quality product. This vacuum has got a 100-watt motor which provides a powerful suction of 13 kPa. You get an LED display here, so let me turn it on. So I will press the power button. Even when you are using the vacuum, you can see the current battery available. This vacuum comes with two suction modes, that is low and high. In low mode it provides a suction of 8 kPa and in high mode it provides a suction of 13 kPa, which is excellent. So let me quickly turn on and show you the low mode. You can see that low mode is activated. And now I will press the power button again and high mode will be activated. You can see that vacuum is very quiet and the noise is less than 75 decibels. At the bottom there is a USB Type-C charging port. You can use this vacuum cleaner as suction as well as blower. Inside this mini vacuum you get dual steel HEPA filter which is capable of filtering 99.9% of dust, debris, pet hair and more. Also you get 0.5 liters of dust collecting capacity. So this is how you can install the accessory. This is the multi-purpose brush. You can install it at the front, and for the blower you can install it at the back end. So this is installed as well, and in case you want to use a brush you can install on top of nozzle. So this is installed. This portable vacuum cleaner comes with 2600 mAh battery. It takes approximately 3 hours to completely charge and can last up to 20 minutes. So let me connect the charger. You can see that vacuum is charging right now and you also get a battery percentage. There is also an LED light option in this vacuum. Let me press the button. So here you can see an LED light. So this is a very useful feature in case you are cleaning your car or area that has got less light. Alright, so let's clean the laptop with the help of this vacuum. You can also use the blower option to remove dust from your keyboard. You can also remove dust from your railing as well with the help of this. I can also use the blower option to blow air at the backside of the TV. So let's do that. You can also use this vacuum cleaner for cleaning fridge, TV, pet hair and whatever you want. Cleaning of this vacuum is very simple. You can see that there is a lock and unlock option and ये open हो जाएगा. So this is the filter and the dust bag. To remove all the collected dust, simply I will press this button and I will remove all the dust and then close it. Now to clean the filter, I will simply remove this filter and you can also clean this as well. So here you can see that there is a steel filter and inside this there is a HEPA filter, so you can clean it and then install it back. And then I will insert it and it is good to go. And finally I will install this on the vacuum and lock it. So you can see that how easy the cleaning is. This vacuum cleaner is definitely recommended from my end. आई होप आप लोगों को आज का वीडियो अगर ये पॉकेट रॉकेट वैक्यूम क्लीनर जो है वो पसंद आया होगा। अगर पसंद आया होगा, लिंक्स मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिए हैं, आप वहां से परचेज कर सकते हैं। With that note, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and keep watching Zero Charge. जय हिंद।